Thanks for watching this video. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to use Pixelab and things you can use it for. And some of your questions will be answering it. I'll be able to design well using your mobile phone and get job in some marketplace and offline. You don't need a laptop. First, what is Pixelab? Pixelab is a free text editor and writing app which you can use for customizing fonts, stickers, background. It has more than 60 executive choice which you can use with your imagination. You can make beautiful design and surprise your mates with it. That's it. If you are in all these Facebook group, you would have been seeing people posting what they have designed with it, and some of them are even getting job. I know one of my friend who is a graphic designer who, when I introduced him to this Pixelab, was happy because he was using laptop before and switched to using Pixelab, and so he can design for anywhere he is now. Sometimes in church he used to design, and that's it. PLR is good. Pixelab is very good. Is a Pixelab is a very good app. It can also be used for 3D mockup. I'll be showing you where you can get all this mockup. Oh, can you design? You can design anything you can imagine. So far you can imagine it, you can design it. These are the things you'll be designing. Number one, flyers, posters, book covers, resume, infographics, album cover, and more. So far you can imagine it. You just need to be able to imagine it and draw it down on paper. Then you can design it. Can you do job with it? Yes. You can get client offline and online. Things you will learn in this tutorial. These are the list of things I'm going to be covering for you guys, and from there you will be able to design a lot of things. These are from basic to intermediate, but from here I know that you'll be able to design a lot of things, and some things we will be talking it in the group too and everything. And I'll be showing you some things on my YouTube channel which you guys will be watching and be learning. Thank you for staying with us. Let's get it.